Hi everyone, welcome you all. In this video, I am going to explain vector subtraction. What is vector subtraction? The subtraction of two vectors also results into a vector. The subtraction of vector b from vector a resulting in vector f that can be expressed as f is equal to a minus b, that is equal to a plus of minus b. Here minus b represents a vector having same magnitude as the original vector b, but the direction is opposite to that of b. So what we have to do, first we have to reverse the direction by taking 180-degree angle that gives the value minus b. Then this minus b is added to the vector a, will get the vector f. Thus, it can be said to a vector subtraction is just a special case of vector addition. The vector subtraction is also performed using either parallelogram rule or head-to-tail rule. First of all, we are going to see parallelogram rule. According to this rule, the vectors a and minus b to be added are represented as two adjacent sides of the parallelogram, and the resultant vector f is given by the diagonal of the parallelogram. See in this figure, a and b both are adjacent sides of the parallelogram. How we get minus b? By taking 180-degree angle from b, we get minus b. And see this side, what is the value? That is also a. Now what is the resultant vector f? That is a minus b. Here a and b vector that takes clockwise direction and f vector that takes anti-clockwise direction. So this is the parallelogram rule. Using this rule, you have to subtract any two vectors. Next, we are going to see head-to-tail rule. According to this rule, the two vectors a and b to be subtracted. The head of one vector is joined with the head of another vector. The line joining tail of both the vector that gives a resultant vector that forms the triangle. See here, first a vector, then b vector. B vector, both the tails are connected together. So this b that represents minus b because it is opposite to that of a vector. So a minus b that gives a resultant vector f. So f is equal to a minus b. A vector that takes the anti-clockwise direction, but f and b vector that takes clockwise direction. So these are about head to tail rule. We can use both the rules, parallelogram and head to tail rule. We can subtract any two vector easily. So in the next video, I will explain what are the different types of vector multiplication. Thank you. Have a nice day.